Alrighty-o, here we go. Got a little bit, well, no space here, you know what I mean? So, got a little creative here for the bias. Alright, it's right around 3.95, 3, about 365, 385, somewhere around there. I don't remember. But anyway, got your seat filled in. Replace the 3 transformers. There's the other ones. Change this to 3 turns. This is 2 turns. It's tuned for the C's. Put your new relay in here. New keying circuit. I put another tube in here. Tuning tube. Here's your old tuning tube. They appear to be the same, but this one here, I don't know why it's got so much sticking out of it like that. Well, anyway, put just the new inductors on it. Yeah. He said he was having some problems with his ears going in and out. Okay, there it is. Inductors. Change out your feedback. Okay. So, 1-pill driver, that's it. 150 watts. Input reflect. Hello. Output power 2500 watts slug. Top scale. Hello audio. About 1400. Alright, so that's it. Yeah, I don't know nothing about this. I don't know who did the work before. He said it was working for like a year and it worked fine, so you know, guy did a good job. He's wanted some bias on it. The owner wants some bias on it. I have silicone tube, so it won't slide in and out. What else? Oh yeah, if you notice, I moved the bus bar inward, and I ran the a new 3/16 in here this way. I'm not a big fan of running it across the bus bar and dropping it in there and just, I don't know, here's 3/16 that took out 3 of them. Yeah, it's run real nice and neat now. I did not change this over here on the input though, the 3/16 cable. Yeah, it's working fine. So that's it. I don't know how these power supplies will hold up single sideband drive, but I would not hit it with too much SSB drive. Okay, your single sideband delay, which was what it was. Here's your AM. Okay, so I've done the pass through on it. It's at 50 ohms, about a 1.12. Everything seems to be fine. The amp is on 14.5 volts. And yeah, I changed these out. Screws were smaller than the holes here, so I changed screws out. I cut this off. Just little things, you know what I mean? Just chop that off. You know, don't leave it hanging out like that. But anyway, just little things. That's all. Other than that, it's good to go. It's done. It's finished. It's running great. And yeah, we'll be getting this thing on back to you. Take care. Appreciate your business. Back at it. It's Alley Cat Town, Alabama. So block 6, and I'm gone.